Footprints fade without a sound, salty dancing in your hair, island magic everywhere.
Waves keep time with your heartbeat, barefoot skank on warm sand feet. Every laugh, every smile makes this moment last a while.
Leave the world, leave the race, find ourselves in this place. We're vibing on the beach tonight, island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae rhythm, stars so bright, hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Fire glow in your eyes, under calm and open skies. Every step, every sway pulls me closer as we play.
Moonlight kiss on salty skin, let the rhythm pull us in. No tomorrow, just tonight, wrapped in reggae, soft and right.
No fear, no rush, no sound, just the beat and love we found. We're vibing on the beach tonight, island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae rhythm, stars so bright, hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Can you hear the ocean say, love is here, don't drift away. Every wave brings you near, island stars loud and clear. Still vibing on the beach tonight, roots and lovers in the moonlight. From sunset glow to sunrise gold, island love will never fall. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Feel the island air, tonight we disappear. Sunrise glow on the open sea, every wave keep calling me. Barefoot steps in the morning light, island dream feels so right.
Palm trees sway to the rhythm slow, warm wind whisper, take it low. Every smile you give to me feels like island destiny.
Leave the world, leave the noise behind, island time, heart and mind. We're bed on the beach tonight, island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright, hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control.
Baseline roll like ocean tide, feel the rhythm deep inside. Every sway pulls me near, only love I hear.
Moonlight kiss on salty skin, let the slow dance pull us in. No tomorrow, just this song, island love where we belong. No rush, no fear, just the flow, let the reggae guide us slow. We're vibing on the beach tonight, island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright, hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Can you hear the ocean call?
Yet say love conquer all.
Every wave bring you
crystal clear.
Still vibing till the morning light. Roots and lovers feeling right. From sunset fire to sunrise gold. Island love will never fold. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Oh, island soul. Yeah, feel the breeze, island vibes tonight. Yeah. Sunset gold on your skin, ocean waves singing in. Every smile, every stare tells me freedom's in the air.
Barefoot dancing in the sand, your rhythm pulling my hand. No plans, no need to pretend, just the night that never ends.
Slow it down, let the rhythm play. All our worries drift away. We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright. Hold me close till morning light. Oh, oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Oh, 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 oh.
Firelight in your eyes, under moonlit island skies. Every laugh feels so true, every beat brings me to you.
Salt air, love so free, just you, the sea and me. If the world fades far away, I'd stay right here and play.
No rush, no fear, no control, just the rhythm of our soul.
We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright. Hold me close till morning light. Oh, oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. Oh, 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 oh. If tomorrow calls us home,
I'll remember this tone. Waves and whispers in the dark, you and me, one spark. Still vibe.
Mary Mother distant note. Roots reggae under soft moonlight. From sunset glow to sunrise gold. Island love will never get old. Oh, island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Yeah, feel the salt in the air. Island love right here. Oh, morning light on the ocean blue. Every wave brings me closer to you. No shoes, no plans, no rush today. Just the sun showing us the way.
Palm trees singing harmony, wind and water setting us free. Every step in the warm white sand feels like home when you hold my hand.
Leave the noise, leave the pain behind. Island time, body and mind. Island breeze, reggae slow and sweet. Barefoot hearts to the drum and beat. Under skies painted gold and blue. Every rhythm leads me to you. Oh, island flow. Let the good vibes overflow.
Baseline roll like the ocean tide, feel the rhythm deep inside. Every smile, every sway makes me wanna stay.
Sunset fire, moonrise calm. Love so pure, island born. If tomorrow fades away, I'd still choose this day.
No clock ticking, no goodbye, just the stars up in the sky.
Island breeze,
you close, never let go.
Waves will guide our way.
Island love forever stay.
Still we dance till the morning light. Roots and lovers feeling right. From sunrise warm to sunset glow. Island love will always grow. Island flow forever in this reggae soul. Dancing in your hair, island freedom everywhere. Warm sand under our feet, ocean moving to the beat. Every laugh you give to me feels like sweet serenity. Leave the city, leave the race, find our peace in this place. Island breeze, reggae slow. Hearts in time, we let it flow. Under stars and firelight, hold me close, it feels so right. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control.
Feel the rhythm deep inside. Every sway pulls me near. Nothing else I hear.
Moonlight glow on your face. Time stands still in this space. If the night won't let us go, I'll stay right here, nice and slow. No rush, no fear, no sound. Just the love we found. Island breeze, reggae slow. Hearts in time, we let it flow. Under stars and firelight, hold me close, it feels so right. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control.
Can you feel the ocean sway?
Yeah, it's guiding us this way.
Every wave brings you close. Island love, that's what I chose.
Still we dance till morning light. Roots and lovers feeling right. From sunset go to sunrise glow. Island love will always grow. Forever in this reggae flow. Yeah. Island night, feel the ocean, breathe it. Golden sun is going down, footprints fade without a sound. Salt there dancing in your hair, island magic everywhere.
Waves keep time with your heartbeat. Barefoot skank on warm sand feet. Every laugh, every smile makes this moment last a while.
Leave the world, leave the race, find ourselves in this place.
is here, don't drift away. Every wave brings you near. Island truth, loud and clear.
Still vibing on the beach tonight. Roots and lovers in the moonlight. From sunset glow to sunrise gold. Island love will never fall. Oh, oh, oh. Island soul. Forever in this reggae flow. Oh. Feel the island air. Tonight we disappear. Sunrise glow on the open sea. Every wave keep calling me. Barefoot steps in the morning light. Island dream feels so right.
Palm trees sway to the rhythm flow. Warm wind whisper taking low. Every smile you give to me feels like island destiny.
Leave the world, leave the noise behind. Island time, heart and mind. We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright. Hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul. Let the good vibes take control. Island soul. Let the good vibes take control. Hey, yeah. Tonight we feel so happy.
Baseline roll like ocean tide. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Every sway pulls me near. Only love I hear.
Moonlight kiss on salty skin. Let the slow dance pull us in. No tomorrow, just this song. Island love where we belong.
No rush, no fear, just the flow.
Let the reggae guide us slow. We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright. Hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul. Let the good vibes take control. Island soul. Let the good vibes take control. Can you hear the ocean call?
Yes, say love conquer all.
Every wave bring you near.
Island truth crystal clear. Right there.
Still vibing till the morning light. Roots and lovers feeling right. From sunset fire to sunrise gold. Island love will never fall. Island soul. Forever in this reggae flow. Let the good vibes take control.
Forever in this reggae flow.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Tonight we disappear. Yeah, feel the breeze. Island vibes tonight. Sunset gold on your skin, ocean waves singing in. Every smile, every stare tells me freedom's in the air.
Barefoot dancing in the sand, your rhythm pulling my hand. No plans, no need to pretend, just the night that never ends.
Slow it down, let the rhythm play. All our worries drift away. We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels
control, just the rhythm of our soul.
We're vibing on the beach tonight. Island breeze, everything feels right. Reggae heartbeat, stars so bright. Hold me close till morning light. Oh, island soul, let the good vibes take control. If tomorrow calls us home,
I'll remember this tone,
waves and whispers in the dark.
you and me, one spark.
Still vibing on the beach tonight. Roots reggae under soft moonlight. From sunset glow to sunrise gold. Island love will never get old. Island soul, forever in this reggae flow. Feel the salt in the air. Island love, right here. Morning light on the ocean blue. Every wave brings me closer to you. No shoes, no plans, no rush today. Just the sun showing us the way.
Palm trees sing in harmony, wind and water setting us free. Every step in the warm white sand feels like home when you hold my hand.
Leave the noise, leave the pain behind. Island time, body and mind. Island breeze, reggae slow and sweet. Barefoot hearts to the drum and beat. Under skies painted gold and blue. Every rhythm leads me to you. Island flow, let the good vibes flow. Bassline roll like the ocean tide. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Every smile, every sway makes me wanna stay.
Sunset fire, moonrise calm, love so pure, island balm. If tomorrow fades away, I'd still choose this day.
No clock ticking, no goodbye. Just the stars up in the sky. Island breeze, reggae slow and sweet. Barefoot hearts to the drum and beat. Under skies painted gold and blue. Every rhythm leads me to you. Island flow, let the good vibe flow.
If the night turns cold, I'll keep you close, never let go.
Waves will guide our way. Island love forever stay. Still we dance till the morning light. Roots and lovers feeling right. From sunrise warm to sunset glow. Island love will always grow. Island freedom everywhere.
Warm sand under our feet, ocean moving to the beat. Every laugh you give to me feels like sweet serenity.
Leave the city, leave the rain, find our peace in this place. Island breeze, reggae slow, hearts in time, we let it flow. Under stars and firelight, hold me close, it feels so right. Oh,
Island soul,
let the good vibes take control. Bassline rolling like the tide, feel the rhythm deep inside. Every sway pulls me near, nothing else I hear.
moonlight glow on your face. Time stands still in the space. If the night won't let us go, I'll stay right here, nice and slow.
No rush, no fear, no sound, just the love we found. Island breeze, reggae slow, hearts in time, we let it flow. Under stars and firelight, hold me close, it feels so right. Oh, oh,
Oh, island soul,
let the good vibes take control. Can you feel the ocean sway?
yeah, it's guiding us this way.
Every wave brings you close. Island love, that's what I chose. Still we dance till morning light, roots in love, us feeling right. From sunset gold to sunrise glow, island love will always grow. Oh, oh.